Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Real Geeks for listing lead routing, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Real Geeks for listing lead routing, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Real Geeks login page. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Settings tab on the main dashboard. Click on the Settings tab to open the Settings menu. Next, find the Lead Routing section within the Settings. Click on Lead Routing to configure your preferences. You will see options for lead assignment and routing rules. Select the criteria that best fits how you want leads to be routed. After selecting your preferences, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will find the Save Changes button. Click Save Changes to ensure your settings are applied. Following this, navigate to the Integrations section. Look for integrations related to your listing platforms. Select the platform you wish to authenticate with Real Geeks. Follow the prompts to enter any required API keys or authentication details. Once you've provided the necessary information, click Authenticate. Wait for the confirmation message indicating successful authentication. Review your settings to verify that lead routing is functioning correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to fine-tune your lead routing preferences. Conclude by logging out of your Real Geeks account if you're finished. This completes the tutorial on authenticating with Real Geeks for listing lead routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.